So here's the Briggs engine with the homemade FloMastr type muffler on it there. See the muffler comes in and splits around each side of center, cancels the sound out, and then goes out. A few more baffles and things in there, but that's basically how she works. Anyway, we'll fire it up here and let you hear how it sounds. Can't guarantee the recoil starter won't start making a nice growly noise. Like those high RPM. So there you go, a FloMastr type muffler on a 5-horse Briggs. Take to her at idle there.